Okay, I just had an issue on my 2004 Toyota Sequoia Limited where my glasses were stuck up in the holder in the overhead map light console. So the issue was that the glasses were just sitting in a way that the door itself was jammed and it wasn't able to open freely. It would only open about this far on its own, and then if I pulled on it, I could get it to open about that far. I wasn't able to get them loose without dropping the whole console out of there, so my next thought was, okay, I can drop the console and shake it loose and maybe get them to move that way. And that's actually what ended up working for me in my case. So what I did to do that was I pried the door about this far down when they were still stuck up in there, which is far enough to get a screwdriver in and remove these two screws right here and here. And once you do that, you can pull the whole console down with your hands really easily. Just get your fingers on the side here, or use one of those plastic pry bars. And they're actually just two tension clips, like right here and here. So whole thing pulls straight down really, really easily. Then once you do that, you can try just shaking the whole thing to the point where the sunglasses will eventually come loose. And so that's what worked for me. You can see it's working completely smoothly, so nothing got damaged, fortunately. But that's what worked for me, and it's actually really quick and easy to get this console out of there once you see how it works. So just wanted to post this quick video in case it's helpful to anybody else with the same issue.